I know y'all see that up there, don't you? Do you see that up there? God, I hope I'm filming that. I'm at the gym. And there's that dang bird. Do y'all see him? Do y'all see him? There's two of them. God, I hope this is filming. Y'all wouldn't believe me. Please, Lord, let this be filming. Nobody believe me. I'm at the gym. And there's them birds. I'm fixing to pull up and straighten my camera up so I don't run over this guy. Y'all see that up there, right? You see that up there. There's one. Watch me. Make sure I don't have a wreck watching hawks. Alright. Pulling out. Let's see. I'm going to leave this running for a little bit. I want to know if they follow me. Make sure my camera's running. Yes. Up and... I can't believe this shit. Nobody would believe this. No damn body would believe this. Nobody. I bought this dash cam for my phone, to keep on my phone so that I could film every time I'm out. So nobody would believe that these hawks are around like this. I'm away from home. I see them every single time I'm out. There's usually one, but sometimes two. Yesterday I saw like 10 of them. And now, I'm from the country, and I've seen hawks, but I'll tell you, hawks don't usually display this kind of behavior, and they certainly do not follow you around town. Now, I got enough sense to know. That's why I'm filming this. That's why I'm filming it. Nobody believe it. They think I was a damn crazy old woman. And I am sometimes. But not this time. I've got this stuff on film. Oh, come on. I'm going to pull out anyway, buddy. I'm waiting on you. Alright. I don't see it. Leave it running, Joy. Let's see. Let's see if it's at this corner. Sometimes they seem to